creative sofa, and wall color designs for your living space. Introduction. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of interior design and home decor. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting realm of sofa and wall color designs, harmonious neutrals. To begin, let's talk about the timeless elegance of harmonious neutrals. Imagine a soft cream-colored sofa against a backdrop of pale gray walls. This combination exudes sophistication and offers a calming atmosphere, perfect for both modern and traditional interiors. Bold contrasts. For those who crave drama and impact, bold contrasts are the way to go. Picture a deep navy blue sofa set against a backdrop of rich, warm terracotta walls. This striking duo creates a captivating visual dynamic, instantly drawing the eye. The key here is balance. The intense colors are balanced with ample natural light and strategic use of lighter accessories. Earthy tones and nature-inspired themes. Bringing the outdoors in is a trend that's captured hearts across the design world. Think about pairing a forest green sofa with earthy brown walls. This combination evokes a sense of being surrounded by nature, and it's a great choice for those who appreciate a cozy and welcoming ambience. Serene pastels. If you're a fan of soft, dreamy aesthetics, Serenity pastels might be your cup of tea. Imagine a blush pink sofa, complemented by walls in a gentle pale lavender shade.